In this lesson, we are going to see how to estimate photovoltaic system cost. So we are going to view the cost summary section where technician, operator, or user can calculate the real cost of the photovoltaic plant and figure out the investment to show to the client. Selecting the opposite node, bill of quantities, we can evaluate the project. We use kilowatt. For example, my plant costs £1,000 by kilowatt. So automatically, Solarius calculate the costs. Or you can also define professional fees as percentage or also as fixed fees. This allows you to correctly estimate fees. Or you can also estimate the other expenses: transportation, installation, the quality assurance, or other type of expenses possible to refer to the project. We also have one-off cost or periodical cost. So, in one-off cost, we can think about extraordinary maintenance of the plant during the 10th year, for example, and we can calculate everything as percentage or also as fixed. And I can also add other descriptions. Same is for periodic cost. You can add periodic cost from this mask. That could be for ordinary maintenance or maybe the insurance, and all the other possible costs. All we do here in this mask, we find in this other window here, in cost simulation, in graphical form, as you see, and also tabular form, that could be exported as image file or XLS formats, PDF or other. I can also calculate the plant properly as a common calculation of cost. So I can do a quantification of all objects present. So instead of using a kilowatt estimation, I can use a lump sum calculation. Click on the icon, create cost estimate with Primus DCF. So now we are activating Primus. We are using now the estimation software integrated with the software Solarius. Click on Compose Project Estimation. Click Yes. Software automatically recognizes all components of the project. Software is asking me to add all prices for the used element. So now I need to activate a detailed view and add all prices, element by element. Done this operation, I calculate the costs of the plant. I'm creating a project estimation, properly the bill of quantities. I can print the documents and take a look to all the documents. To confirm everything, I can see that I find the cost in the different section. I find it by kilowatt criteria. So I obtain the reverse function. Let's see now in the cost estimation how to change the current currency. We have to change from pound to euro. How can I do this operation? Let's click on the opposite section, Profitability Parameters, Currencies, click on Euro. Here I can also set eventually all the other parameters as inflation rate, discount rate, energy inflation rate, energy loss, lifespan, if I want to do in 25 years, for example. So then I can confirm. So now I read the different currency. I obtain the changing of currency, but I don't obtain the transformation of the sum in euro or other currency, because they represent just numbers in the software. I have not a current exchange, but I have just a numeric value. So numbers could be euro, pesos, pound, or other.